Well, the fundamental power that the abuser has is that he can access the inner world of the target woman. He can get inside her head and under her skin because she gives him the pathway. She tells him what's going on in her head and in her spirit, and he just uses that information to feed his own stuff in top of that. So eventually he fills her head with his own thoughts, and they are not to her benefit. And they, as I've always said, confusion is really the bedrock of how he operates. So the more confusion he can generate, the less likely the woman is to make a decision that goes against him. So that's the essential achievement that he manages, is that the woman who can be quite an intelligent woman, a well-educated woman, or a woman who left school when she was 14 or 15, doesn't matter. She will no longer be able to think clearly. And while she can't think clearly because his voice dominates her thinking, she is lost. She is isolated. She is living in a world which anybody who hasn't been there will have no idea what it's like.